Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page, you click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. After that, you'll enter to the window of Google Meet and you click. Here in this page of App Info, you click on First Stop and you click OK. Then you'll enter to Storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.